the red subscribe button right under the video and also the bell icon to get notification on any of our latest updates on the videos.
Good day everyone, welcome to Smart VUCAT video tutorial. Today we are going to be solving a question in engine mathematics. Here is the question. Find the value of lambda for which the following equation is consistent. We are given from the question that 5 plus open bracket lambda plus 1 close bracket y is minus 5 is equal to 0. Open bracket lambda minus 1 close bracket x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0, and the last equation is 3x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So how are you going to be solving this question? Let's dive in. Solution. So looking at this question, we are going to be using matrix method to find our lambda, the value of our lambda. So converting our equation into matrix, from the first equation we are going to have 5 open bracket lambda plus 1. The third element will be minus 5. This is for column 1. The second column, the first element of the second column will be open bracket lambda minus 1. The second element is plus 7. The third element is 5. Then for the last equation, we are going to be having 3. The second element is 5. And the last element is 1. So these are the elements of our matrix. For the first column of 5, we are going to be dealing with this. We are going to cancel out this. Therefore, so for 5, we are going to have 5 open bracket 7 times 1 open bracket 7 times 1 close bracket minus the other one, which is 5 times 5 times 5. So this is for the first one. So for the second one, which is this column, open bracket lambda plus 1. Okay, so now whenever you are solving a matrix, the one at the middle, instead of starting from right to left, now we are going to start from left to right. That is the way you do it for the one at the middle, from the general equation of matrix. That is how it's been done. Or you put negative here. So we are going to be starting from left to right. So we are going to be having, for this column, when lambda plus 1, we are going to have lambda plus 1 open bracket 5 times 3 minus this multiplied by this, which is open bracket lambda minus 1 times 1. So now for the last column, we are going to be cancelling out this and this, right? So we are having these two here. So for minus 5, we are going to be having minus 5 lambda. Now we are going to be starting from right to left. It's only the one at the middle will be starting from left to right. Open bracket lambda minus 1 multiply by 5 minus 7 times 3 close brackets. So this is what we are having, and all this is equal to 0. We are going to equate our matrix to 0. So now simplifying this, we are going to have 5 open bracket 7 times 1 is 7 minus 5 times 5 is 25 close bracket plus open bracket lambda plus 1 close bracket 5 times 3 is 15 minus lambda minus 1 times 1 is still the same. So we are going to have lambda minus 1 close bracket minus 5 open bracket. If you open the bracket with 5, this 5 here, we are going to have 5 lambda minus 5 times 1, which is 5, close bracket, minus 21. 7 times 3 is 21, is equal to 0. Simplifying this further, we are going to have 7 minus 25 is 18. 18 times 5 is 90. We are going to have minus 90 for this place, plus open bracket lambda plus 1 open bracket. If you open this bracket with minus, we are going to have minus lambda plus 1. We are going to have minus 5 lambda minus 5 minus 21. Please don't forget this 5 is for the entire bracket, so we are having a bracket here. So simplifying this further, we are having minus 90 plus, if you open the bracket with lambda, we are going to have lambda times 15 is 15 lambda minus lambda times minus lambda is minus lambda squared. Lambda times 1 is plus lambda. Then we are going to open the bracket with 1 also, plus 1 times 15 is 15. 1 times minus lambda is minus lambda. 1 times 1 is 1. Then for the last part, minus 5 times 5 lambda is, we are having minus 25 lambda. Minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25. Then lastly, we are having minus 5 times 21. Minus 5 times 21 is plus 105. So simplifying this further, we have this is equal to minus 90 plus 56. 56. If you press it on your calculator, so we are having 15 plus lambda will cancel, minus lambda, they are gone since they are both 1 so plus 15 minus 25, that is minus 10 lambda, then lastly we have minus x squared. So now simplifying this further, we are having this is equal to, if we are rearranging our equation, we are having lambda squared minus 10 lambda plus 56, dividing through by negative 1. Don't forget this is equated to 0. We are going to have lambda squared plus 10 lambda minus 56 is equal to 0. So we will look for two values that if 1 times minus 56 is minus 56 and 10. So we are going to look for two values that if we multiply together is going to give us 56, and if we sum them it's going to give us 10. So we can select 14 and minus 4. Minus 4 times 14 is 56. 14 plus minus 4 is 10. So we can say this is equal to lambda squared minus 4 lambda plus 14 lambda minus 56 is equal to 0. So now we can factor out lambda. This is performing quadratic equation. Factoring out lambda, we are having lambda minus 4 plus, factoring out 14 in the second one, we are going to have lambda minus 56 divided by 14 is 4 is equal to 0. So grouping this together, we are going to have lambda plus 14 open bracket, we are going to pick one of these brackets, lambda minus 4, which is equal to 0. So therefore, we can see one of these brackets, lambda plus 14 is equal to 0, lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore, at this point, lambda plus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 14. The other one we can see lambda minus 4 is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to 4. So therefore, our value of lambda is equal to minus 14 and 4. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for subsequent videos like this. Thank you.